Hey guys, welcome back to Cozy English Corner. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Sam, and we're so happy you're here with us again. Thanks for choosing to spend part of your day learning English with us.
Today, we're going to talk about something everyone does, telling someone about your day. It's simple, but it's one of the most useful skills in English.
Yes, anytime someone asks, "How was your day?" or "What did you do today?" you'll know exactly how to answer with confidence.
Before we start, take a slow breath with us. In and out. Good. Let's set a calm mood so your mind is ready to learn.
I love doing that. It always brings me into the moment, especially after a busy day.
So, Sam, imagine we're meeting after a long day. Tell me about your day in a simple way.
Sure, my day was pretty good. I woke up early, made some coffee, and then went to work. After work, I took a short walk to relax.
See? Clear, simple, natural.
Now you try, Sarah.
Okay, my day was calm. I studied a little, cleaned my room, and spent some time reading. In the evening, I went for a quiet walk.
I love how soft your days always sound.
Maybe because I like slow mornings. But the structure is really easy.
Yes, just remember 3 parts: how your day was, what you did, and how you felt.
Let's practice with the listener now.
Listener, try answering this question in your mind. How was your day?
And now, think of 3 things you did today. Anything. Cooking, studying, cleaning, relaxing.
And finally, think of one feeling you had. Happy, tired, calm, busy. Any feeling is okay.
Let's show a few examples so listeners can choose a style they like.
Example 1. My day was busy. I had classes all morning, and in the afternoon, I finished a project. I felt tired, but satisfied.
Example 2. My day was relaxing. I made breakfast, watched a show, and took a long nap. I felt peaceful today.
And a short version could be, my day was good. I worked, cooked dinner, and watched a movie.
Very simple, very useful.
Sometimes people forget to talk about feelings, but feelings make your sentence more human.
Yes, saying I felt tired or I felt happy helps people understand your mood. It makes conversations warmer. And yeah,
Sarah, what was one special thing you did today?
I took a little break outside and felt the sun on my face. It made me feel refreshed.
That sounds beautiful. Small moments can change your whole day.
What about you, Sam?
I tried a new snack today. It was so delicious that it made my whole afternoon better.
I love how food can fix everything.
Now, let's teach some useful phrases for talking about your day.
You can say, I woke up, I got ready, I went to school, or I finished my work.
And also, I relaxed, I cooked, I cleaned, I watched something, I met my friend, or I took a walk.
These small actions create a full story.
Yes, and when you put them together, your English becomes smoother.
Many learners think they need big sentences, but small sentences are enough.
Exactly. Simple English is good English.
Let's practice a little conversation.
How was your day?
It was nice. I studied, cleaned my room, and listened to music. What about you?
Mine was good. I worked, met a friend, and then relaxed at home.
Such a natural daily chat.
Now, listener, you can practice this in front of a mirror, or with someone you know, or even with us right now.
Yes, say it softly to yourself. My day was, and then keep going.
Let's give the listener one more model.
My day was okay. I did my best, even though I felt a little tired, but I'm proud of myself for trying.
That's such a kind, honest way to talk about your day.
And remember, your day doesn't have to be perfect to talk about it.
Yes, Some days are lazy, some days are productive, some days are confusing. And all of them are okay.
What matters is that you're learning to express it in English.
And you're improving every minute you spend with us.
Thank you for being here today. We loved talking with you.
And we hope your day becomes even better after this practice.
We'll see you in the next Cozy English Conversation.
Bye for now.